Looking for the best disinfectant wipes? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 disinfectant wipes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Micro-Scientific Opticide Max Medical Grade Disinfecting Wipes. Wipes are medical grade and nurses say these are their go-to wipes for wiping down instruments during the COVID-19 pandemic. EPA verified. Wipes are thick for use on hands and surfaces. These quick-acting wipes get the job done, killing germs, including COVID-19, in under 30 seconds. Expert recommended. Packaging has a habit of leaking, so store safely. At number 2. Care Touch Alcohol-Free Hand Sanitizing Wipes. These antibacterial wipes are designed to be gentle on skin with aloe and vitamin E formula. Alcohol-free with no harsh disinfectant smell like traditional hand sanitizing wipes. Small packs fit perfectly in a purse or the car. Alcohol-free wipes with enriching vitamin E and aloe formula to combat drying out hands. Pricier than other wipes on the market. At number 1. Clorox Disinfecting Cleaning Wipes. Triple layered to clean, disinfect, and remove allergens effectively. All-purpose wipes are safe for virtually all non-food contact surfaces. Flexible, sealed pouches are stackable and great for travel. These bleach-free disinfecting wipes are made by a top brand known for quality cleaning products. Some users have had issues with leaking packs. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.